When in England, do as Englanders do. We wanted to see Stonehenge and it is pouring rain today, so we just came anyways. This is an adventure. But hey, we got to see Stonehenge. There it is back there. Just anybody in the background. But you know, it's not the size, it's how you use it. This is a rainy day at Stonehenge. This is what it means to be English. I'm officially an Englander. We are officially Englanders. He copped out and got an umbrella. I'm just out here in the pouring rain. You know what? It's fine. I wanted to come and see England. I'm experiencing the real England.